Hello friends, welcome to aravalligeoacademy. Today we are going to discuss mineral calcite. Okay, mineral calcite is very important mineral of the Mohs hardness scale. See first, this is the mineral calcite. Chemical composition of mineral calcite is CaCO3. It means calcite is a carbonate mineral. So there are three polymorph of the calcium carbonate. Number one, calcite. Calcite crystallize in the trigonal crystal system. See, this is the picture of the mineral calcite. Then second polymorph is the aragonite. Aragonite crystallize in the orthorhombic crystal system. See the picture of the mineral aragonite. This is the mineral aragonite. Third important polymorph is the waterite. Okay, waterite crystallize in the hexagonal or pseudo hexagonal. Okay, this is the mineral waterite. So there are three polymorph: calcite crystallize in the trigonal, aragonite crystallize in the orthorhombic, waterite crystallize in the hexagonal. Okay, so there are three polymorph of the calcium carbonate, and in this video we are going to discuss the mineral calcite. Okay, so first we are going to discuss the physical property of mineral calcite. Okay, the color of the calcite is typically white or colorless, but can vary due to the impurity. Color is depend on the impurities. Okay, but generally color of mineral calcite is white as well as colorless. Second, luster of calcite is vitreous to pearly on the cleavage surface, vitreous as well as pearly on the cleavage surface. Third, streak of calcite is the white. Now third, hardness of calcite is the 3. Hardness is very important because calcite is part of the Mohs hardness scale. So hardness of calcite is the 3. Now cleavage is very important in the calcite. See the cleavage perfect in the 3 direction, or this cleavage is known as rhombohedral cleavage. This is the one direction, then second direction, then third direction. So cleavage in 3 direction, not at the 90-degree angle. So this is the this type of cleavage present in the calcite. So remember, cleavage in calcite is 3 direction, but not at the 90-degree angle. Okay. Next, the twinning. Okay, so fishtail twinning actually present in the mineral calcite. See, this is the fishtail twinning in the V shape. Okay, this fishtail twinning present in the calcite as well as sometime in the gypsum. Okay, especially in the satin spar, not satin spar, especially in selenite. Okay. Next, fracture of calcite is a conchoidal to uneven or crystal system. Crystal system of calcite is very important. Calcite crystallize in the trigonal crystal system. Next, specific gravity. Specific gravity of calcite is 2.71, and transparency of calcite is transparent to translucent. So in this slide, crystal system is very important, trigonal. Next, optical property of mineral calcite. First, optical nature or optic sign. So optic sign of calcite is uniaxial negative. Okay, this is very important point for exam. Birefringence is also very high, and this is very important. Okay, birefringence of calcite is very high. Paleochroism of calcite is absent. So in this slide, optical nature, uniaxial negative. Okay, the optic sign of calcite is uniaxial negative. This is very important, and other two is also important. Okay. Now relief of calcite is low to moderate, and interference color, high order, often bright due to the strong birefringence, because birefringence is very strong. Now transparency, transparent to translucent in the thin section. Double refraction, this is very important. Strong produce the noticeable image in doubling. See the image. Okay, this double refraction, this is the optical phenomena of mineral calcite. So this is very very important. Due to this optical property, calcite used as a optical purpose in the pathological microscope. Okay, so remember this point is very very important. Double refraction is characteristic feature of mineral calcite. Calcite is a carbonate mineral and this is the most stable polymorph of the calcium carbonate. We know that there are the three polymorph: calcite, aragonite and butterite, but calcite is the most stable polymorph of the calcium carbonate. It is very common mineral, particularly as the component of the limestone. So we know that limestone is a sedimentary rock, and major mineral of the limestone is the calcite. Okay. Now, varieties of the calcite is very important. Number one, first variety of mineral calcite is, see first the picture. This is the first variety of mineral calcite. So this variety is known as Iceland spar. Okay, transparent variety of mineral calcite is known as Iceland spar. Now second variety is, okay, acute scalenohedral crystals are sometimes referred to as the dog tooth spar. Okay, see the picture of the dog tooth spar. The crystals resemble the teeth of the dog, so this is known as the dog tooth spar. But remember, the crystal shape of the dog tooth spar is acute scalenohedral crystals. Okay, this is very very important. Now third important variety of the calcite is the rhombohedral form, in sometime referred to as the nail head spar. First see the shape of the nail head, okay, and this type of crystals also present in the nail head spar. So due to the shape of this crystal, calcite is known as nail head spar. Okay, so nail head spar is the rhombohedral shape of crystal in the calcite. Now we are going to discuss geological occurrence of the calcite. It means how to form calcite. First, calcite is a key mineral in the limestone and the chalk formed by the precipitation. Okay, so in limestone or chalk, calcite formed through the process of the precipitation. Next, it's form marble through recrystallization during the metamorphism. So calcite also present in the marble and formed through the process of the recrystallization in the metamorphism process. Calcite also found in the hydrothermal vents and the igneous cavities, and calcite is also part of the stalactite and stalagmite in the cave by the water precipitation. Okay, so chemical composition of the stalactite and stalagmite is also calcite or aragonite. Now we are going to discuss very most important part of the video, objective questions related to the mineral calcite. Now first question, what is the chemical composition of the calcite? Option A, CaSO4, option B, CaCO3, option C, MgCO3, option D, CaCl2. So what is the right answer? We know that calcite is a carbonate mineral, so correct answer is CaCO3. Next question, what is the typical color and the diaphanity or transparency of the pure calcite? This is asking about the pure calcite. Okay, diaphanity of the pure calcite. So option A, yellow and opaque, option B, blue and transparent, option C, white and transparent, option D, gray and translucent. So we know that the pure calcite is white as well as the transparent. So right answer is the C. Next question, what type of cleavage does calcite exhibit? So first, in one direction, second, two direction at the 90-degree angle, third, three direction not at the 90-degree, four in direction. So we know that the right answer of cleavage of calcite is a three direction but not at the 90-degree, or we can say rhombohedral cleavage. Next, what is the typical streak color of the calcite? So streak of calcite is colorless, streak of calcite is white, black or yellow. So what is the right answer? Right answer is the white. Okay, streak of the calcite is the white. Next, which of the following minerals are readily with the dilute hydrochloric acid by effervescence? Okay, which of the following minerals react radially with the dilute hydrochloric acid by effervescence? Quartz, feldspar, calcite and mica. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Calcite. Next question, what is the hardness of the calcite on the Mohs scale? So this is very important question. So option A is the 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we know that the hardness of the mineral calcite is the 3. So hardness of calcite is the 3. Now next, which of the following is the unique optical property of the mineral calcite? Number 1, cationcy. Number 2, double refraction. Number 3, asterism. Number 4, paleochroism. So which one is the unique optical property? So we know that double refraction is the unique property of mineral calcite. Next question, calcite is the primary mineral component of the which rock? Option 1, granite. Option B, basalt. Option C, limestone. Option D, sandstone. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the limestone. Okay, limestone is the main component of the mineral. Calcite is the main component of the mineral limestone. Next, what is the crystal system of the calcite? Cubic, trigonal, monoclinic and orthorhombic. So we know that the calcite crystallize in the trigonal crystal system, or aragonite crystallize in the orthorhombic crystal system, and waterite crystallize in the hexagonal crystal system. Next, which of the following is the most stable polymorph of the calcium carbonate? So which one is the most stable polymorph? Aragonite, waterite, calcite and dolomite. So stable polymorph of the calcium carbonate is the calcite. So calcite is the right answer. This is very important question for NET exam. Okay. Next question, acute scalenohedral crystal of the calcite are commonly known as. So which tell me the name of the variety. Dogtooth spar, satin spar, and Iceland spar, and desert rose. Okay. So which one is the correct answer? So right answer is the dogtooth spar. Okay. Acute scalenohedral crystals are the dogtooth spar. Okay. You can write the actually satin spar is the variety of which mineral? So you can write in the comment box. Satin spar is variety of which mineral? Now question number 12. Iceland spar is the transparent variety of which mineral? Option A, quartz. Option B, calcite. Option C, halite. Option D is the gypsum. So Iceland spar is the optical, actually a transparent variety of the calcite and also used in the optical purpose. Now next, what is the optical nature of the calcite? This is asking the optic sign. Uniaxial positive, biaxial negative, biaxial positive and uniaxial negative. So what is the right answer? Right answer is the D, uniaxial negative. Okay. Next question, which of the twinning is commonly observed in the calcite crystal? Carlsbad twinning, fishtail twinning, Menbeck twinning and penetration twinning. So which one is the correct answer? So right answer is the B, fishtail twinning. Okay. Carlsbad present in the feldspar, Menbeck is also in the feldspar. Okay. Next, this is the question for you. Okay. Which optical device commonly use Iceland spar, okay, calcite for its double refraction property? Okay. Option A, polarizing microscope. Option B, electron microscope. Option C, spectrophotometer. Option D, X-ray diffractometer. So answer of this question, this is question for you. So you can write in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Try to share this video with the maximum your friends or geology students. Thank you again.